I am very excited dahil don't worry guys, don't worry dahil legit na legit po yung online loan platform na pag-uusapan natin. At click. Nagulat ako guys. Kaagad kong natanggap. 10,000 kaagad. 3 months to pay. So, oy, maganda yan kasi hindi po 7 days. Diretso po sa aking Grab wallet. Yun po yung disbursement method. And you will know why. Matagal ko nang alam na may pautang dito sa Grab eh. Pero ngayon ko lang talaga siya na-experience. Imagine, last year pa ako, almost end ng 2025, nung nalaman ko merong pautang sa kay Grab. At ngayon lang ako nagka-offer at ngayon lang ako nakatanggap ng ganitong obligation. Kay Grab. At dahil utang po guys is an obligation, dapat pag-usapan natin siya. And therefore, keep watching so you'll know what to expect dito sa Grab loan na to. Keep watching. Guys, obviously naman sa thumbnail na pag-uusapan natin is yung Grab loan, diba? So, matagal na to, kaso ngayon lang ako naka-experience. Kaya i-share ko sa inyo yung aking personal experience sa pautangan na to, which, by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. Oh, yan, disclaimer na kaagad. Based lang siya sa aking experience. But of course, with these vlogs, because here in my channel, me, Ate Red, I talk about online loan platforms, and financial literacy po is always in mind. And my goal is to help you understand what being a responsible borrower is. Kasi para naman to sa ating kapakanan, guys. Don't worry, it's legit, registered and regulated, reporting to CIC. Ito pong si Grab Loan. Pautangan siya po na na-offer sa mga eligible users ng Grab app. Yes, that app na kung saan tayo nag-order ng pagkain kung tinatamad tayo magluto and kung yung app na kung kailangan natin transportation, you know, and meron siyang other services. And syempre, of the other services aside from food and transportation na ina-avail ko dito sa Grab,
I was always looking forward na magkaroon ng Grab loan.
why not? Dahil ang baba po ng interest niya. So last December, November, nag-vlog ako na totoo yung chismis. May pautang po sa Globe. It's under financial services. Based on my research dun sa Grab na app, automatic kang magkakaroon ng offer if you are eligible. So your Grab account needs to be verified. Alam na natin yan. Dapat previous na nakapag-submit ka na ng ID. Dapat gamit na gamit si Grab. You know the drill. Gano'n naman talaga silang lahat eh. And you will know na meron ka na yan because magkakaroon ka ng ganitong icon. Yes, that icon. And lumabas din siyang parang widget within the app na i-claim mo na daw yung offer niyang 10,000 pesos. So, hindi ko lang naman malayan, guys. Kasi akala ko kasi mag-a-activate pa lang ako na yung initial offer is 10,000 because usually kapag bago tayo sa isang loan app, nagsisimula tayo sa mababang amount. This platform can offer up to. Pero nung nakita na activate or claim yung 10,000, yun na pala yung offer niya. So, yung click, at na-receive ko 10,000 po. Pero before ko yung i-claim, pinakita niya yung loan agreement. Bale, so yung pagbayad dito, kailangan nakalink yung GCash mo kasi automatic niya pong ima-minus. O, minus! Para magkaintindihan tayo, ibabawas, ima-minus, kukunin automatic from your Grab, your GCash, yung pambayad mo doon sa loan mo. So, dapat link and dapat may laman yung GCash mo pag dumating yung due date. Bago mo i-claim yung loan, papakita rin sa yung loan agreement. Importante to, naka-disclose lahat, transparent siya, mag-a-agree ka doon, ilagay nyo na sa calendar nyo para ninyo makalimutan. So, in terms of interest, carry naman siya guys, kasi pasok naman siya sa cap ni PSP. And for those of you who really want to see a step-by-step process ng insura niya, so, here we go. So, ayan guys, mag-order ako ng coffee. And nagulat ako, bakit merong Grab Cash Loan? Which, tagal ko nang inaabangan to ha. Grab Cash Loan. Hindi ko yan. 10,000 kagad yung nag-present. Pero pwede mo palang i-change yung amount ha. So, 10,000 or 1,000, whatever you want. Hindi ko alam kung makaka-multiple ka dito. Pero diretso ako dun sa 10,000 kasi baba ng interest eh. At least lower than, you know, the usual olas na pa 7 days. Meron siyang term 1 or 3 months. So, itong ano na to, yung isa-slider mo siya. So, you just play around with the numbers and the slider to see kung ano yung monthly na babayaran na comfortable ka. Wala siyang processing fee. So, buo siyang matatanggap. Wala siyang kaltas. Which is what we want from a cash loan platform, di ba? Yung total interest daw per month, dahil 3 months to pay siya, is 1,497. And babayaran mo siya every month, 3,832. O, ayan, di ba? Walang gulatan. Transparent po. I-click mo yung apply kapag ready ka na. But do take note ha, na yung disbursement, sa Grab Wallet siya mapupunta. Dahil yun, automatic dun siya sa Grab Wallet mapupunta. At pag nasa Grab Wallet, you can do whatever you want. You can use it to pay for transportation or food, or pwede mo siyang ilipat sa GCash. But of course, if you transfer it to a different wallet, meron siyang InstaPay fees. Lalabas yung ganitong icon pag meron ka ng offer. And as you can see guys, bago ko i-claim yung loan, ito yung laman ng aking Grab wallet. No documents needed na. Kasi yun nga, kapag may Grab ka, dapat verified na siya, nakapag-submit ka na ng documents mo prior. So just click apply, fill out the form. And nung pag-fill out ko ng form, so I had to put my place of residence. Now here's the thing. Yung nagkaroon ako ng Grab, yung initially, yung nasa record nila is my old address. So when I applied, my present address na yung nilagay ko. And so far, na-approve naman. So, I don't think there's gonna be any issue. Ito naman siguro nila sa system nila kung saan ako palagi nagpapadeliver, saan ako nagpapasundo. So, lalagay mo rin yung contact number, email address, monthly income, employment type, and then the purpose of the loan. So, yung nilagay ko, by the way, guys, for your reference, I am self-employed pala ha. Because, you know, I'm a freelancer. I do content. I work from home. Kaya freelancer. Registered po yung aking business. If they need my documents, I can provide. Loan purpose, nilagay ko ng other. And you have active loans outside of Grab? And I said, yes. Preferred payment method. Dito po, papasok kung saan mo gustong ipadeduct automatically yung pambayad mo sa juice mo. So, payments are auto-deducted from your preferred method. If that's unavailable, we'll use other linked methods. Cards, e-wallet, tsaka GrabPay. Playing it safe ha, pero okay lang, legit naman si Grab. And this ensures seamless completion of payments. O diba, para rin naman to sa benefit natin, yung hindi tayo nalilit, diba? So yun, pinili ko po yung GCash. So kung GCash, dapat make sure lang na may laman yung GCash pagdating ng due date. At hindi mo yan makakalimutan kasi makikita mo naman yan sa loan agreement or sa loan details. O dito nakalagay, 3 months, and then total processing fee, wala, buo siyang natatanggap, and total interest, andyan din. Customer information. Na pag-click mo ng continue, lalabas yung loan disclosure statement. Kailangan mo talaga i-ganon. Ang liit eh! 3 installments. So, hindi pa siya pa 7 days. And yung due date ko is every 24th of every month. So, since ngayon ko lang siya ginrab, yung next ko, sa March 24 ko pa siya sisimulang bayaran. Malabas siya pala na effective monthly interest is 7.31. Medyo mataas siya guys, to be honest. Since 10,000, parang hindi mo pa siya mararamdaman. So sa 3 months, effective interest ko is 7.31. At least na lang wala siyang kaltas guys ha. Yun. Transparent naman siya. Yung babayaran ko is 3,832.33. So, your application is submitted and kaagad ko siyang natanggap. Everything that you need to know about your loan is right here. So, walang surprises. It's all transparent. And for me, it is okay. It is legit. It is registered. So, what more can we ask for? Yung hope ko na sana is later on, babaan yung interest ko because 7% is kind of high. I'm looking for something 5% and below sana. Anyways, why not, diba? Kung if the option is available, kung kaya mo naman bayaran yung monthly, who am I to judge? Pero think about it bago kayo umutang because it's an obligation that can affect our future loan applications. Natin kung magkakaroon siya multiple offers, paano siya mag-i-increase. I'll update you, or kung makulit siya, no? I will update you siguro after 3 months. Kung meron tayong bagong napansin dito sa Grab loan na to. So keep if you're not yet subscribed to my channel and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!